Hey developers, have you ever wished for a tool that takes the hassle out of web development and makes creating modern, user-friendly websites a breeze? Today, we're diving into some of the hottest modern dev tools on GitHub that are revolutionizing how developers build, manage, and scale applications. From crafting dynamic web pages with the latest frameworks to managing databases with ease, these tools are what every developer dreams of. Stay tuned as we explore these game-changing projects and show you how they can enhance your coding workflow. Project number 1, Remix, Building Better Websites with Remix on GitHub. Remix is a revolutionary framework that has gained traction among web developers for its focus on the fundamentals of building robust, high-performance web applications. The project, hosted on GitHub under Remix Run, is all about getting back to the basics of web development while embracing modern advancements in web technologies. Remix embraces web standards like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, while also leveraging the power of web APIs to deliver an exceptional developer experience. One of the standout features of Remix is its ability to handle server-side rendering, SSR, with ease. SSR enables your application to generate HTML on the server, which can significantly improve initial load times for users and provides a boost to SEO. This is crucial in the world of modern web development, where performance and discoverability can make or break a website. Remix also makes it easy to fetch data from various sources like APIs or databases, seamlessly integrating the data into your application's pages without the need for complicated state management solutions. But Remix is not just about making websites faster. It's also about creating resilient user experiences. The framework emphasizes techniques that ensure your pages load quickly and gracefully degrade in the event of a slow internet connection or network outage. By leveraging service workers and other modern web features, Remix can even offer offline functionality, making your web application more robust and reliable. Beyond the technical aspects, Remix also provides a comprehensive set of tools for building web applications that are not only fast and reliable, but also enjoyable to develop. The project's documentation is thorough, providing developers with guides and tutorials to help them get started, and best practices for building robust applications. The active community around Remix also makes it easy to get help, share knowledge, and stay updated on the latest features and enhancements. In conclusion, Remix is an exceptional tool for developers looking to build modern web applications that prioritize performance, user experience, and developer productivity. By combining the power of web fundamentals with modern advancements in web development, Remix empowers developers to build websites that are fast, resilient, and a joy to work on. Project number 2, TypeORM, your one-stop shop for object relational mapping on GitHub. TypeORM is an incredibly powerful object relational mapper, ORM, that stands as a bridge between your code and your relational database. Hosted on GitHub under the project name TypeORM, it offers developers a seamless way to interact with databases using JavaScript or TypeScript. By allowing you to define database entities as objects in your code, TypeORM simplifies data management by translating these objects into SQL queries automatically. For many developers, writing complex SQL queries to interact with databases can be a daunting task, especially in large-scale applications. TypeORM aims to eliminate this complexity by providing a way to think in terms of objects rather than raw SQL. For instance, you can define a user entity in your code, complete with properties like name, email, and password. TypeORM then takes care of translating this into the appropriate SQL queries, saving you time and reducing the likelihood of errors. One of TypeORM's standout features is its support for a wide array of relational databases. Whether you're working with MySQL, PostgreSQL, SQLite, or others, TypeORM offers the flexibility to choose the best database for your project's needs. This versatility is a significant advantage, enabling developers to avoid compatibility issues and work with their preferred database systems seamlessly. Beyond the basics, TypeORM offers robust features that make it indispensable for database-driven applications. You can easily model complex relationships between entities, such as one-to-many and many-to-many relationships, and TypeORM will handle the intricate details for you. It also includes features like data validation to ensure that only clean, valid data is stored in your database, improving data integrity. The project's GitHub repository provides comprehensive documentation to help developers get started, along with detailed guides and best practices. It also includes code examples that showcase how to leverage TypeORM for various database operations. Additionally, the active TypeORM community is always available to provide support, share knowledge, and help you stay up to date on the latest developments. In summary, TypeORM is a versatile, robust tool that streamlines the process of interacting with databases by abstracting away the complexities of SQL and offering extensive features for data management. TypeORM empowers developers to focus on building the core logic of their applications, making it an essential tool for modern web development. Project number 3, Univer, your open source office suite on GitHub. The Univer project, found on GitHub under the name DreamNum, offers an exciting glimpse into a future where open source office suites rival their proprietary counterparts. Imagine a suite of tools for creating spreadsheets, documents, and presentations that's open source, giving you complete control over your data. That's Univer in a nutshell, aiming to provide a self-hosted, privacy-focused alternative to the popular cloud-based office tools. One of the biggest appeals of Univer is its open source and hosted nature. The code is freely available, allowing anyone to contribute to its development or tailor it to meet their specific needs. This level of control ensures that your documents and data remain entirely in your hands, alleviating concerns about data privacy inherent in cloud-based office suites. With Univer, you can host your instance on your server, providing peace of mind for users who are cautious about storing sensitive information online. Univer doesn't try to reinvent the wheel. Instead, it offers familiar functionalities that users expect from office suites. Its spreadsheet tool closely resembles the features of Google Sheets, allowing users to create and edit spreadsheets with formulas, functions, and cell formatting. The document tool provides essential features akin to Google Docs, supporting text editing, paragraph formatting, and collaborative editing. While still under development, the project also aims to introduce a presentation tool that will offer features similar to Google Slides. The potential benefits of Univer are not just limited to privacy and control. As an open source project, Univer provides room for customization and plugin development, enabling users to extend its functionalities to better suit their workflows. This flexibility can prove invaluable for teams with specific requirements that mainstream office suites cannot meet. The GitHub repository is a treasure trove of resources for developers and users interested in exploring or contributing to Univer. It provides comprehensive documentation on how to get started, along with a project roadmap that outlines the suite's future development plans. The community discussions are also valuable, offering insights into the project's current status, upcoming features, and best practices for getting the most out of Univer. In conclusion, Univer presents a compelling vision for the future of office productivity tools. With its focus on privacy, open source development, and familiar functionalities, it stands as a viable alternative to mainstream office suites. As the project matures, Univer promises to deliver a robust and feature-rich office suite that empowers users to take full control of their documents and data. Project number 4, DrawDB, your visual database design playground on GitHub. The DrawDB project, available on GitHub under DrawDB.io, offers a fresh approach to database design, making it accessible even for those without advanced technical expertise. Imagine a tool that allows you to visually design your database schema and then generates the corresponding SQL code automatically. That's the magic of DrawDB. By transforming database design into a visual experience, DrawDB aims to simplify the process for developers and database architects alike. One of DrawDB's standout features is its intuitive drag-and-drop interface. Instead of writing complex SQL queries and manually designing tables, users can visually create their database schema by dragging and dropping tables, columns, and relationships onto the canvas. This visual approach makes it easier to understand the relationships between different database elements, ensuring a well-structured design from the outset. As users create their database schema in DrawDB, the platform automatically generates the corresponding SQL code behind the scenes. This feature saves time, reduces the potential for errors, and allows users to focus on the logical structure of their database rather than the intricacies of SQL syntax. With DrawDB, even those with limited SQL knowledge can confidently design complex databases. DrawDB is also designed with collaboration in mind. Users can share their database designs with team members or stakeholders, making it easy to gather feedback and refine the schema before implementation. Although currently in development, future features aim to include real-time collaboration, enabling multiple users to work on the same database schema simultaneously. The DrawDB GitHub repository is a valuable resource for developers and database designers interested in using or contributing to the project. It links to the official DrawDB website, where users can find tutorials, examples, and documentation to help them get started. Additionally, the project fosters a community of users and developers who share insights, offer support, and discuss new features and improvements. In summary, DrawDB represents a significant step forward in democratizing database design by offering a visual interface, automatic SQL generation, and collaboration features. DrawDB empowers users to design efficient and accurate database schemas with ease. As the project continues to evolve, it promises to become an essential tool for developers and database designers alike, making database design accessible and straightforward. Project number 5, ISH, bringing the power of Linux Shell to your iPhone on GitHub. The ISH project, hosted on GitHub under the name Ish App, is a groundbreaking concept for iOS users who wish to experience the power of the Linux Shell on their iPhones or iPads. Imagine having access to powerful command line tools and functionalities of Linux right in your pocket. That's the promise of ISH, which aims to bring the Linux Shell environment to Apple's mobile devices. The Linux Shell is a text-based interface that allows users to interact with their computers by typing commands. It's a versatile tool for file management, automating tasks, and accessing various functionalities that are usually only available on desktop operating systems like Linux and macOS. ISH is an effort to bridge the gap between the desktop and mobile environments, giving mobile users the ability to use essential shell commands on their devices. While ISH might not offer the full experience of a desktop Linux system, it does provide a surprising range of capabilities. Essential shell commands like file management, directory navigation, and text manipulation are available, allowing users to perform basic tasks. Additionally, while it's not as extensive as a complete Linux system, ISH lets you install a limited set of command line tools and utilities, expanding its capabilities further. It's important to understand that using the Linux shell requires some familiarity with command line syntax, so ISH might have a learning curve for those unfamiliar with this interface. Moreover, while the tool provides valuable functionality, it can't fully replace a desktop Linux environment. It's more suited for specific tasks or power users who are comfortable with command line interfaces. The GitHub repository for ISH is geared towards developers who wish to contribute to the project's development or delve into its technical details. However, the repository still offers valuable resources for curious users, including tutorials and guides for getting started with ISH on their devices. Community discussions provide additional help, allowing users to ask questions, share experiences, and learn how to use ISH effectively. In summary, ISH is a fascinating tool that pushes the boundaries of mobile computing by offering the Linux shell environment on iOS devices. It's a step toward a more versatile and customizable mobile experience. And while it might not be for everyone, it opens up new possibilities for innovation on mobile platforms. Project number 6, SyntaxUI pre-built UI blocks for effortless web design on GitHub. The SyntaxUI project, hosted on GitHub by Ansub, is a treasure trove for web developers and designers who want to streamline their web development process. Picture a collection of pre-built, visually appealing user interface UI components, all powered by the latest web technologies, ready for you to use in your projects. That's the magic of SyntaxUI, a library that empowers developers to create modern and stylish web applications effortlessly. Building websites from scratch traditionally involves designing and coding each UI element, from buttons and forms to navigation bars and cards. This process can be time-consuming, especially for complex websites. SyntaxUI provides a shortcut by offering pre-built UI components, saving developers valuable time. These components come with modern designs and follow the latest trends in web development, making it easy to give your site a polished, professional look. One of the key features of SyntaxUI is its integration with Tailwind CSS, a popular utility-first CSS framework. This integration makes it easy to customize the appearance of each pre-built component to match your website's design. Whether you need to tweak the colors or adjust the spacing, Tailwind CSS provides the flexibility to ensure that SyntaxUI seamlessly blends into your project. Beyond static components, SyntaxUI incorporates animations and effects to bring websites to life. Utilizing Framer Motion, a powerful animation library, SyntaxUI adds smooth, interactive animations to its components. Imagine buttons that subtly bounce on hover or menus that elegantly slide into view. These animations can significantly enhance user experience and make your site more engaging. SyntaxUI offers several advantages that streamline the web development process. By using pre-built components, developers can reduce the time and effort needed to design and code a website from scratch. With the basics handled by SyntaxUI, developers can focus more on the core functionality and logic of their websites while maintaining a consistent and visually appealing design throughout. The GitHub repository primarily serves developers who want to use the SyntaxUI components in their projects. It provides helpful resources, including documentation and code examples, to help users get started quickly and efficiently. Overall, SyntaxUI is a valuable asset for web developers and designers who want to create modern, visually appealing websites efficiently. By offering pre-built, customizable UI components with built-in animations, SyntaxUI enables developers to streamline their workflow and create exceptional user experiences. Project number 7, Umami, your privacy-focused website analytics on GitHub. The Umami project, available on GitHub under the Umami software organization, offers a privacy-focused alternative to popular website analytics tools. Imagine gaining valuable insights into how visitors interact with your website while simultaneously ensuring their privacy is respected. This is the essence of Umami. Website analytics tools such as Google Analytics are widely used for tracking user behavior to understand how visitors navigate websites. These insights are essential for website owners who want to improve user experience and optimize their content. However, these tools often raise concerns about user privacy due to the data they collect. Umami offers a solution that balances the need for website insights with respect for user privacy. Umami prioritizes privacy by not collecting personally identifiable information, PII, about visitors. Instead, it provides essential analytics such as page views, visitor sources, and visitor behavior patterns, which help website owners understand user interactions without compromising privacy. This privacy-focused approach distinguishes Umami from other analytics platforms that often rely on detailed user tracking. Beyond its privacy features, Umami is designed for efficiency and ease of use. Setting it up is relatively straightforward, allowing you to start tracking website traffic quickly. Its lightweight design ensures it won't affect your website's performance, which is critical for providing a fast user experience. Even with this simplicity, Umami offers a customizable dashboard that allows you to focus on the metrics that matter most to you. Another notable feature of Umami is its self-hosting capability. Unlike cloud-based analytics tools that store your data on third-party servers, Umami can be hosted on your own server, giving you full control over your website data. This appeals to users who prioritize data privacy and wish to avoid third-party storage. The GitHub repository is a valuable resource for developers interested in Umami. It includes comprehensive documentation on installing, configuring, and using Umami on your website. There are also code snippets and tutorials that help with integrating Umami into your website, making it easier to get started. Community discussions provide additional support, allowing users to ask questions and share their experiences. As privacy concerns grow, Umami provides a much-needed alternative for website owners seeking analytics without sacrificing user privacy. By focusing on user privacy while still providing valuable insights, Umami represents a significant step toward a more privacy-conscious approach to website analytics. Project number 8, VSCodeVim, embrace the power of Vim within Visual Studio Code. VSCodeVim, available on GitHub, is a plugin that brings the powerful and efficient editing features of Vim into the popular code editor Visual Studio Code, VS Code. For developers who love Vim's unique modal editing and command-driven approach, but also appreciate the features and comfort of VS Code, this plugin bridges the gap perfectly. Vim is renowned among developers for its efficient navigation and editing capabilities. Its modal editing allows users to switch between modes for navigation, text editing, and command execution. However, Vim's learning curve can be steep, which often deters beginners from exploring its features. VSCodeVim helps by integrating Vim's core functionality directly into the familiar VS Code environment, providing a gentle introduction to Vim's unique style. VSCodeVim replicates Vim's essential features within VS Code, such as its navigation commands, modal editing, and powerful customization options. Developers can use Vim's efficient navigation commands to move around the code swiftly, and modal editing helps them switch between writing and navigating with ease. The plugin also provides key remapping and command customization, making it possible to personalize the editing experience according to individual preferences. The plugin brings together the best of both worlds by combining the efficiency of Vim with the advanced features of VS Code. Users can benefit from VS Code's syntax highlighting, integrated debugging tools, and Git support, all while using Vim's editing capabilities. This seamless integration enables developers to boost their productivity without compromising on their preferred development environment. The GitHub repository of VSCodeVim is primarily aimed at developers interested in contributing to the plugin or understanding its inner workings. However, it also provides valuable resources for users, including a guide on installing and configuring the plugin within VS Code. Documentation and tutorials help users learn how to use basic Vim functionality within the plugin, making the learning curve less steep. VS CodeVim offers a way for developers to start exploring Vim's capabilities in a familiar environment. As developers get comfortable with Vim's editing style within VS Code, they may transition to standalone Vim for an even more efficient coding experience. The plugin empowers developers to customize their coding environment, blending the features of VS Code with the editing power of Vim to suit their workflow and preferences. Thank you for joining us as we explored these fantastic GitHub projects. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more updates on the latest trends in tech. We'll see you in the next video.